Hello and welcome back to Meme Market Now. I'm Andrea, your studio anchor, bringing you the latest scoop for all the AMC apes out there. Today's top story: AMC stock saw notable volatility this week, with shares opening at $2.81 on Tuesday, hovering below their 50-day average of $3.03 and the 200-day average of $3.02. That means we're watching AMC trade in a tight range, and while the overall market capitalization is holding around $144 billion, sentiment across retail traders remains resilient. Despite the red candles, apes continue to show faith, posting optimistic price targets and rallying on social platforms. Now, let's get the inside track. Over to Paul in the office for an in-depth ape lysis.
Thanks, Andrea. Diving a bit deeper, today's data highlights increased trading volume and risk, with AMC trading nearly 13 million shares in a session as the price edged downwards. The options market shows ongoing elevated short interest, keeping that squeeze narrative alive among retail communities. Analyst sentiment has shifted. Wedbush recently upgraded AMC from neutral to outperform with a price target of $4, while the latest market beat consensus rates AMC as a hold, with targets near $3.33. On forums, the community is debating technical levels and sharing fresh DD, focusing on upcoming catalysts that could break this sideways trend. Back to you, Andrea.
Thanks, Paul. In our second headline, AMC is gaining attention from institutional investors. Graham Capital Management recently increased their stake, signaling a possible vote of confidence, even as Wall Street analysts remain divided. While some firms like Citi maintain a conservative stance, others are starting to see the underlying value in AMC at these depressed levels. For the ape community, this brings fresh hope for a turnaround, especially as we look ahead to the fall movie slate and ongoing industry improvements. Let's head outside for a field report. Farah, what's the energy like at the theaters?
Thanks, Andrea. I'm here at an AMC theater where the vibe is electric, even with the recent pullback in the stock price. I've spoken to a handful of dedicated apes. Many say they're doubling down, grabbing popcorn, and holding their shares for the long haul. On X, formerly Twitter, and Discord, community posts celebrate Graham's buy-in as a major win for retail solidarity. There's also excitement around box office performance, with blockbuster premieres over the Labor Day weekend drawing crowds and fueling optimism that fundamentals could soon catch up to the ape conviction. As always, the diamond hands are out in full force. Back to you in the studio, Andrea.
Thank you, Farah. To recap, AMC is trading in a tight range with heightened volume and volatility, but retail conviction is holding strong, and new institutional support is adding fuel to the community's optimism. What do you think, apes? Does this week represent a new launchpad, or do we have more consolidation ahead? Drop your thoughts, price targets, and DD in the comments below. If you want to keep aping together strong, smash that like button, subscribe to Meme Market Now, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. This is Andrea, reminding you to stay united, stay informed, and keep those diamond hands shining.